Trust me. Up and down. Up. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and we're back in the world of Funimation. And we're here with Lunch from SH Figuarts. Now this is the Lunch figure. Now I don't know why I thought her name was Launch. Like in some places they actually call her Launch as if you're launching something, but this is the SH Figuarts Funimation version of Lunch. Super figure. She comes with 2 headsets. You can even have her as a blonde or have her as the blue hair version. But we're gonna get her open and see what's inside. Alright, so straight out of the packaging you can see that Lunch comes with 4 interchangeable hands. She comes with a machine gun. It looks like a Dragon Ball. She comes with a blonde eyebrow, mischievous face, an excited blue eyebrow face, a happy blue eyebrow face, and then her secondary head sculpt is her blonde face, looking kind of intriguing. So now if we go into the height, we can see that this figure is exactly 5 inches. Tail of articulation. Let's just look her over. I love when Funimation does make these figures because it gives them the look of them jumping right off the page of the TV show or comic book. Now we can see that it does have her feet. We can see that she does have toe articulation and ankle, looks like with a rocker. Her shoes are molded on, but it looks like the socks are a second piece. She does bend at the knee and it goes up this far. She does have on her shorts, which are like a caramel color, and then the belt buckle in front is kind of brown. You can see that. And as we go up, we can see that she does have some waist swivel articulation right in the midsection. She does have a single bend in the elbow. She also has wrist articulation. You can see that. And everything is painted very, very well. Her hair looks really good, even the red detailing at the top. Now, you know that we have a lot of those faces. Now, the interesting thing with Funimation SH Figuarts is that once you take the face plate off, so her hair piece, you can see the face piece. Now, since she is having the blue hair on right now, we can just grab a face that features the blue hair so that the eyebrows will actually match the hair plate. And you can mix it up if you want to. It's going to be your figure to own. But now you can see she has the happy-go-lucky face plate on, which looks really, really good. She looks awesome. Now, for those of you who would like to see a different type of height comparison, I'll be right back with that. Alright, and here is Lunch comparative to some other female figures. She's next to Vixen, Jules, Bulma, and then we have the volunteer from the pet hospital. So you can kind of see how she'll scale once she's next to these other female figures. But she looks really good. I narrowed it down to these 2 figures because these 2 girls are from the same line, just released at 2 different times. So you can kind of see they both have that cartoony aesthetic. And let's see. Oh no, it looks like Lunch does have some articulation that Bulma does not have. And I think they both look good. What do you think? I'm gonna swap her head out so we can kind of see how Lunch would look as a blonde. Okay, so this is how Lunch would look with her blonde head on. And the head does kind of feel different. It almost feels more sturdy. It's interesting how her curls are a separate piece. And I didn't really notice that on the blue one, but on the blonde you can kind of see where it's separated out a little bit, which isn't a big deal. Now let's see what her hand will look like. Alright, and there we have it. Action-packed Lunch. Yes, Lunch is not here to play with the girls. She said action-pack and I'm ready. Yes. Overall, I am happy. I did get her from Amazon.com. If you guys are interested in the Launch figure, she is currently available there. So if you head on over to Amazon.com, you can pick up this figure. Now, she is available at a multitude of other places, but as of right now, that is where I did purchase mine from. Just trying to get that lighting right. But yeah, I think she's a decent figure. Good points of articulation. She does fit in with your 5-inch characters, but once you enter the realm of 6-inch characters, you can see that they are a bit taller than these other girls. So overall, what do I think the final thoughts are on Funimation's launch figure by Bandai? The pros of her is that I'm glad we do have an updated version of her. She comes with some decent accessories. She comes with nice head sculpt, different hair, different face plates. All that's good. That's all pros. The only con I can really think of is that she doesn't come with a stand, but she really doesn't need one. If you have her on the right type of surface, she can stand on her own. That's really the only negative I can think of. I really like the figure, and I hope you will too if you plan on adding her to your collection. So, just to give you guys an idea and a better understanding. But make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'm going to have some really cool photos. Also, if you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Welcome to the Cali Storm Party, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Training alone for hours? Anything to get stronger. I will never back down again. Believe it.